Ready? So, all right. Ready? Welcome, TikTok. Welcome, TikTok. So, today we have installed a 5 kilowatt shower head, Atmor instant water heater. And what we have gone to, we have installed our water heater up here, right? And we ensure that we have our inlet line coming from the shower head. We take off this shower head and replace it, with this flexible hose, feeding our water heater. And this is now our outlet, our hot water, and it attaches now to our shower that comes with the hot water heater. So there are a few safety features normally one should go through before installing a water heater. And as an electrician and a technician, we're going to start from the power with the power concern, right? So we normally install a dedicated circuit, and we have installed a 220 volts dedicated circuit, right? I will check the rating of the water heater, and before you to use the appropriate size cable, conductor, along with the breaker. This water heater is a 5 kilowatt, right? And it's approximately about at fully, it operates at maximum capacity to about 25 amps. So we have gone through and putting a 4 millimeter conductor cable for it, along with a double pole 220 volts, right? And we always, as this is a dedicated appliance, we always ensure that we put up a switch here, a 220 volt switch, and this switch is controlling it just for the water heater, dedicated for the water heater there, right? So here we have our 30 amp double pole breaker, and I'm now going to close my breaker, put it in the on position. There my 220 volt switch is there, right? Here now, and I'm now going inside now where my water heater is, and I'm going to now commission my Atmor instant water heater. So here we go. So there's the switch here now, so I'm going to now turn on the switch, see if I have light up there. All right, turn on the switch now. All right, so what I'm now going to do now, the switch out there is on. Switch out there is on. Switch is on, all right. So now I'm now going to now turn on now my water heater now, see if I'm getting any. My water is going to come out, and there we go now. Okay. So yes. Okay, yes, it is warming. So here it is, here our tools is our medium, right, and low, and this is our right. So we're getting hot water, right? So, all right, so there it is. So as soon as I turn off the faucet, the water heater goes out, stop, and the light is not on again, right? So our operation is successful. So I went through and checked all the joints here. We have my flexible hose, ensure that they don't have any leak. And my bathroom, my one bathroom, single shower, Atmor water heater is working. And there's also the inline version, and the inline version of the water heater. Normally that can serve if you have multiple bathrooms and so on. Right, it can serve 2 or 3 bathroom, wash area, and also the kitchen. But in this case, this situation, this is only serving a bathroom, a single bathroom. And customers out there, before going and purchase a water heater, ensure that your electrical infrastructure installation is checked out by a licensed electrician, and always buy a 220 volts water heater instead of a 110 volts, right? Because sometimes you might buy a water heater at a certain capacity, and your electrical installation doesn't have the capacity to take that additional load. So you have to make sure before you go ahead and buy these appliances that you have the necessary capacity to angle it, right? And I advise customers always buy a 220 volts water heater, right? And for that matter, all major electrical appliances, air condition, stove, dryer, water pump, and so forth. All these things are supposed to operate on 220 volts. Do not buy the 110. Because at the time I said, that will keep the electrical operation on balance. I want to have a balanced operation, many things working. And for those customers out there who might have still have 110 volts from years gone by, it is best to have the premises upgraded and apply for a 220 volts meter installation, so you can have a smooth and reliable energy, electrical supply to installation. So as I said, so this is another installation, another completed where my Atmor 5 kilowatt water heater is concerned. Right, and this water heater when it's running, it's supposed to be drawing on water. 5 kilowatt is equivalent to about 25 amps at 220 volts, right? So we have gone through and do our necessary setting up, right? So here we have a switch here for it. Like how the switch goes, and I have a double pole breaker here, and I'm going to label all these breakers to indicate the circuit, the different circuits that these breakers control. So until next time, TikTok and youngsters out there, continue to watch follow us and go on the Sparky Electricians that page and go and study definitions and do your mock exam on it and apply to heart and get your level 1, level 2 certificate. Become and try become a technical electrical assistant and register with the government electrical regulator and work your way up that eventually you'll become adept at whatever you are doing. So until next time, electricians out there and plumbers, technicians, HVAC apprentices, right, continue to watch, follow and subscribe us. And we're going to have a lot more content with it out there because, as I said, we want to have a well-trained workforce with the hands across Jamaica. So eventually we can start to supply the Caribbean and other parts of the world. Until next time, take care and continue to watch and subscribe.